How to have creative style, tween girls. Are you a tween girl and want to show off your creative and original style, but don't know how to do it? Well, read this article to know how to show off that style through your hair, clothes, stuff, and personality no matter what the season. Steps. 1. Get nice tops. If you want to have a unique style, get some awesome shirts. They should be in bright colors, like pink, purple, green, or anything that stands out and that you like. For summer months, wear a tank top or a bright graphic tee. You can wear Henleys with matching camis or T-shirts in the fall. For winter, a nice sweater, zippered hoodie, or long-sleeved shirt will do. 2. Buy cool bottoms. There's nothing wrong with colored skinny jeans, so rock those purple pants. But skinny jeans aren't the only option. Wear leggings, jeggings, or boot-cut jeans. For warmer temperatures, wear Bermuda shorts. They look great if you're tall, or slightly shorter shorts if you are a bit shorter. In fall, get a few pairs of capris. Capris and shorts can be colored as well, but make sure that it matches the rest of your outfit. You can also wear a skirt, dress with flowers, dots, or a plaid pattern on it. 3. Purchase nice shoes. Some ideas for summer are sandals with colored straps or rhinestones, or flip-flops with cool patterns, like polka dots or stripes. You can always add rhinestones yourself to your flip-flops or sandals if they don't have them on already. Converse and ballet flats are nice and stylish for fall, especially with skinny jeans. For winter, boots are a must. You don't have to wear Uggs, ankle boots are also cool. 4. Accessorize. This means hair accessories, bows and headbands, hats, scarves, anything really. Here are some ideas for jewelry. Colorful bangles, but don't wear too many. A charm or friendship bracelet. A beaded necklace. A necklace with a symbol, your first initial, a peace sign, heart, cupcake, etc. An anklet. Cool earrings. Maybe ones with ice cream cones, zippers, or stars on them. 5. Have fun with your hair. Make sure you brush it. Try a different hairstyle every day. You can braid it, curl it, straighten it, or just put it in a ponytail. You can add hair ribbons or bows, a nice headband, and barrettes to get the bangs out of your face. You can grow out your bangs, or keep them nice and short. Get it cut every 6 weeks or so. 6. Wear some makeup if you like. You don't have to wear makeup, but you can. Make sure that you get a parent's permission to wear makeup. At first, have them or an older sibling to apply it so it won't look messy and overdone. And at your age, you don't really need to wear a lot of makeup, because inner beauty is what matters. Just some lip gloss and nail polish should be enough. For your nails, try neon colors, like bright orange, hot pink, lime green, electric blue, or lemon yellow. If you can't decide, paint one nail of each. You can do different patterns like polka dots, or even add nail art. 7. Decorate your stuff. Let it show your style. A great thing to decorate is your locker. Put up a mirror, whiteboard, or bulletin board inside of your locker. You can add a shelf, too, or a pouch to hold pencils and pens. Make a collage of your favorite things, and add pictures of you, your pet, or your friends to the bulletin board. A whiteboard can be used as a things to do list. You can store a little stuffed animal in your locker, too. Nice magnets add a great touch. Just make sure that you are following the school rules. Here are more things you can decorate. Your closet. Hang up posters, photos, or pictures you drew. Your school supplies. Get colorful pens, notebooks, and binders. Your backpack. Make keychains with string, or add already made ones. 8. Let your personality shine. Your style isn't just about your clothes, you know. Bring out what you love about yourself, like your great sense of humor, intelligence, or kindness. Always be positive when dealing with difficult choices or situations, and don't worry about what others think of you. You are who you are, and nobody can ever take that away from you. Just believe in yourself and have fun in everything you do. Tips. Layer up for cooler seasons with camis underneath and a colorful hoodie on top. Be positive. Mixing and matching outfits is key. Don't forget to decorate your school supplies with keychains, stickers, and, of course, color. Don't care what others think. Make sure your colors match and don't clash. Try shopping at Claire's for accessories, Justice for colorful clothes and makeup, PS, and JCPenney. Try a different hairstyle every day. Try looking through your older sister's clothes that don't fit her. Hey, you might find something you like. Don't know what to wear? See below for some outfits. If you like graphic tees, try Justice. Paint-splattered camis, jeans, backpacks, and headbands can really show your style. You don't have to spend a fortune. PS Goodwill has some great clothes at a great price. Plaid shorts are cool. Warnings. Don't go overboard with accessories or makeup. Check with your parents before applying makeup. Make sure you're following the school dress code. Don't be overconfident. Things. Hairbrush. Hair clips, headbands, and barrettes. At least one pair of sneakers, flats, flip-flops, boots, and dress shoes. Shirts. Pants and shorts. Jewelry. Nail polish. Lip gloss. Whiteboard bulletin board. Collage. Magnets. Pictures.